Dito tawagin, ma'am. Ma'am, dire ka dito. Ayan.
Okay, come on! No!
Announcing the arrival of our Regional Director, Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Ahmad G. Abakahin, DSC. Requesting everyone to please settle down as we will formally open the program in a few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everyone to please stand as we formally open the turnover ceremony of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10 with an invocation to be led by Fire Officer 3 Marty L. Vasallo.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you very much. Please remain standing for the entrance of the callers, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. You may now be seated. Fire Senior Superintendent Franklin O. Ratonillo, DSC Assistant Regional Director for Administration, shall now give his welcome message. And we would like to acknowledge the arrival and the presence of the representative of the City Mayor's Office, Councilor Romeo V. Calizo. Let's give him a round of applause as we welcome him. Sir, thank you for being here. Once again, for his welcome message, Sir, Fire Senior Superintendent Franklin O. Ratonillo, Assistant Regional Director for Administration, BFP Region 10. Sir?
Today, we gather to witness the passing and turnover of the baton from one leader to another, a moment that marks both an ending and a beginning as we continue our mission to save lives and properties. Change is constant in our line of duty, and it's through to these transitions that we find new opportunities for growth and improvement. Your vision for innovation and passion for service that will undoubtedly lead to those units to the new heights and will continue to thrive and excel its mission as you carry out your duties with honor and distinction. In closing, let's honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to a future filled with promise and potential. Thank you for joining us in this ceremony.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, we now come to the reading of the Relief or Reassignment Order. Fire Superintendent Rafonzel F. Anito, DSC, Acting Chief of Admin Division, shall now read the Relief and Reassignment Orders. Ma'am.
Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters. Special Order Number REA 2024-143. Reassignment. In the interest of the service and pursuant to BFP Region 10, Regional Personal Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-013 dated 6 May 2024, the designation, reassignment of the following BFP personnel is hereby confirmed, effective this date to wit. Fire Superintendent Wilfredo E. David, relieved as Provincial Fire Marshal Misamis Oriental, BFP Region 10, and reassigned to District Fire Marshal Cagayan de Oro Fire District, BFP Region 10. Fire Superintendent Christopher G. Rehencia, relieved as from Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, reassigned to Provincial Fire Marshal Misamis Oriental, BFP Region 10, by command of the Chief BFP, signed Manuel M. Manuel, Fire Chief Soup Manuel M. Manuel, Acting Chief Directorial Staff. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10. Maharlika Building, Gubamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Regional Order Number REA 2024-035. In the interest of the service, Fire Superintendent Jack B.M. Biguil is hereby relieved from the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, and further reassigned to as Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, effective this date. Any order inconsistent herewith is hereby rescinded and or amended accordingly. Signed, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abakahin, MMPA, MPSA, Regional Director. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Regional Order Number REA 2024-033. In the interest of the service and per BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014 dated 20 May 2024, the following BFP personnel are relieved from us to their present designation, unit assignment, and further reassigned, designated to position, station, as indicated opposite their names, effective this date to it. Fire Superintendent Federico Toledo Jr., designated as Chief Operations Division, ORD, in concurrent designation. Fire Chief Inspector Carmel Lito V. Junella, Chief Operation Division, ORD, designated as City Fire Marshal, Osamis City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental. Fire Chief Inspector Wilfredo P. Dagatan, relieved as City Fire Marshal, Tamgob City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, designated as OPFL, Misamis Occidental. Fire Senior Inspector Erwin Peter T. Macamay, relieved as Acting City Fire Marshal, Osamis City, Misamis Occidental, designated as Acting City Fire Marshal, Tamgob City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental. Any order inconsistent herewith shall be rescinded, amended accordingly. Signed, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abakahin, MMPA, MPSA, Regional Director 10.
Thank you, ma'am. We shall now proceed to the relinquishment and assumption of office, followed by the symbolic turnover of command, led by our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abakahin, DSC. To start with, relinquishing his office as the Chief of Operations Division, BFP Region 10, may we call in Fire Chief Inspector Carmelito Viglionella. Sir.
Relinquishment of office. Pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014, dated 23 May 2024, in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29, dated 9 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18, Re-Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Chief Operations Division, Office of the Regional Director, PFP Region 10, effective 23 May 2024, and I sign.
And now to assume his office as the newly designated Chief of Operations Division, Office of the Regional Director, as a concurrent designation, may we call in Fire Superintendent Federico H. Toledo Jr. Sir.
Assumption of office. Pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014, dated 23 May 2024, in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29, dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18, Re-Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as Chief Operations Division, Office of the Regional Director, BFP Region 10, effective 23 May 2024. I sign.
And now may we request our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Granabakahan GSE NAM to lead the symbolic turnover of our Chief Operations Division's office. A round of applause for the relinquishment and assumption of office of the Chief of Operations Division, Office of the Regional Director. And now to relinquish his office as the City Fire Marshal of Osamis City Fire Station, may we call in Fire Senior Inspector Erwin Peter D. Makamay. Sir?
Relinquishment of office pursuant to BFP10 Regional Personnel Placement Board, Resolution number 2024-014 dated 23 May 2024 in relation to the ILG Department Circular number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular number 2018-18, Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as acting City Fire Marshal, Osamis City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, BFP10, effective 23 May 2024. And I sign.
And now to assume his office as the new City Fire Marshal of Osamis City Fire Station, may we call in once again Fire Chief Inspector Carmelito V. Dionela. Sir?
Assumption of office pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board, Resolution number 2024-014 dated 23 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular number 2018-29 dated 9 November 2018, amending Circular number 2018-18, Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as City Fire Marshal of Osamis City Fire Station, Osamis Occidental, BFP 10, effective 23 May 2024. And I sign.
And now for the symbolic turnover, we have our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abacahan, DSC. Let's give another round of applause for the Office of the City Fire Marshal of Osamis City Fire Station, relinquishment and assumption. Let us now proceed to relinquish his office as the City Fire Marshal of Tangub City Fire Station. May we call in Fire Chief Inspector Wilfredo P. Dagatan. Sir?
BEP Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014 dated 23 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18, redelegation of authority, Interior Sector. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as City Fire Marshal, Tangub City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, BEP Region 10, effective 23 May 2024. And I sign.
And now to assume his office as the new City Fire Marshal, Tangub City Fire Station, let us call in Fire Senior Inspector Erwin Peter T. Macamay. Sir?
Assumption of office pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014 dated 23 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18, Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as Acting City Fire Marshal, Tangub City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, BFP Region 10, effective 23 May 2024. And I sign.
And now the symbolic turnover of command with our Regional Director. A round of applause for the relinquishment and assumption of office of the City Fire Marshal, Tangub City Fire Station. And now to assume his office as the new Deputy Provincial Fire Marshal of Misamis Oriental, may we call in Fire Chief Inspector Isagani P. Olmedo Jr. Sir.
Assumption of office pursuant to BEP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-014 dated 23 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18, Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as Deputy Provincial Fire Marshal of Misamis Oriental, BEP Region 10, effective 23 of May 2024. I sign.
And now for the symbolic turnover of command with our Regional Director. as the Chief of the Special Rescue Force BFP Region 10, may we call in Fire Superintendent Christopher G. Rehensha. Sir?
Relinquishment of office pursuant to BEP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-013 dated 06 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18 Delegation of Authority Interior Sector. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Chief Special Rescue Force BFP Region 10 effective 20 May 2024, and I sign.
And to assume his office as the new Chief of Special Rescue Force BFP Region 10, that is called in Fire Superintendent Jack N. Biguil. Sir.
Assumption of office. Pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-013 dated 6 May 2024 in relation to DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18 Re-Delegation of Authority Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as Chief Special Rescue Force BFP Region 10 effective May 20, 2024, and I sign.
And now for the symbolic turnover of command with the Regional Director. To relinquish his office as the Provincial Fire Marshal Misamis Oriental, BFP Region 10, that is called in Fire Superintendent Wilfredo A. David. Sir.
Relinquishment of office. Pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-013 dated 06 May 2004 in relation to the DILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18 Re-Delegation of Authority Interior Sector. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Provincial Fire Marshal of Misamis Oriental, BFP Region 10 effective this date. I sign.
And to assume his office as the new Provincial Fire Marshal Misamis Oriental, BFP Region 10, Fire Superintendent Christopher G. Rehensha, DSC. Sir.
Relinquishment of office. Assumption of office. Pursuant to BEP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2014-013 dated 6 May 2024 in relation to the Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 09 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18 Re-Delegation of Authority Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as the new Provincial Fire Marshal of Misamis Oriental, BAP Region 10, effective 20 May 2024. Can I stand?
And now the symbolic turnover of command with the Regional Director, BFP Region 10. Round of applause for the relinquishment and assumption of office of the Provincial Fire Marshal, Misamis Oriental. And now, to assume his office as the new District Fire Marshal of Cagayan de Oro Fire District, BFP Region 10, Fire Superintendent Wilfredo A. David. Sir.
Assumption of office. Pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personal Placement Board Resolution Number 2024-013 dated May 6, 2024 in relation to the ILG Department Circular Number 2018-29 dated 9 November 2018, amending Circular Number 2018-18-3, Delegation of Authority, Interior Sector. I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as District Fire Marshal, Cagayan de Oro City Fire District, BFP 10, effective this date. I sign.
Now a turnover of command with the Regional Director. Thank you very much, sir. We would like to take this opportunity to also hear the acceptance speeches of our newly assigned officers in the office, from the office of the Provincial Fire Marshal, from the new Provincial Fire Marshal himself, Fire Superintendent Christopher C. Rehencia, DSC. Sir.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I stand before you today with pride and strong sense of responsibility as the new Provincial Fire Marshal of Misamis Oriental. I am honored to follow the footsteps of my respected classmate. To my predecessor, thank you for your dedication to improving the safety and well-being of our community. I am confident that you will continue to excel in your new role as City Fire Marshal of Cagayan de Oro City. I would like to extend my gratitude to our Regional Director, Chief Superintendent Alma Grana Bakain, Ma'am, for placing her trust and confidence in me. Your support and guidance have been invaluable, and I am committed to upholding the high standard you have set for us. As I take on the new role, I am reminded of the core values that guide us as firefighters. First, bravery, service, and integrity. These values are not just words. They are the principles that guide our every action. My vision for Misamis Oriental is a safer, more resilient community. Achieving this vision will require collaboration, innovation, and steadfast commitment to our mission. I am eager to work alongside each of you. The road ahead may be challenging, but with courage and dedication, there is no obstacle we cannot overcome. Thank you once again for your trust and support. Let us make Misamis Oriental a model of safety and resilience. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at magandang hapon.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, let us hear a message of his acceptance as the new District Fire Marshal of Cagayan de Oro City, Fire Superintendent Wilfredo A. Duque. Sir.
From the bottom of my heart, I will accept this position as District Fire Marshal of Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you for all this honor and opportunity to serve the fire district for the second time. No, I was there 2017. So, karon, no, this is the biggest challenge in my career. Way back 2017, we only have 14,000 establishment. So, sa mubuong na panahon, it jumped up more than 30,000. Ingon anak challenging kayo ang atong syudad. First and foremost, no, I would like to thank the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10 headed by our regional director for placing the trust and confidence in me. I am determined to live up the standards and expectation that come with this position. I would also express my deepest gratitude to dedicated firefighters of Cagayan de Oro City. Your outstanding commitment and sacrifice since then, ensuring the safety and well-being of the city is truly commendable. I am proud to stand alongside each one of you to continue to work together. I would like to thank also na wala na ko na-recognize ganina na inumduman ako sa ka-importante kayo ang ilang role diri sa Bureau of Fire Protection Cagayan de Oro City. Ang atong mga barangay captain who give support sa atong mga fire stations, atong mga programa sila mismo. No, without their support, dili malambuon ang programa sa Bureau of Fire Protection, especially kani atong OLP, who is strengthen the community, no, led by our barangay captains, na mahimo silang fire safe community. So muna atong vision sa atong Bureau of Fire Protection. And also nalintan ako ganina, no, grabe ang ilang suporta mo in terms sa firefighting. Dahil last Friday, we fight side by side with this Volunteer Fire Brigade of Cagayan de Oro City. Dili na ako isa-isa, no? Aksa ko lang may naman, Chinese Volunteer Fire Brigade. I think nakita na ko si Sir ganina, no? So na atong Gaisano, Night Lives. So we fight side by side together with destructive fire. I want to also extend my appreciation to the local government units, no, kani atong partner sa agency, atong mayor. O malikayan nato, we do not give a fire a chance, no, to destroy the families and mga kaptangan diri sa syudad. So one of the priorities probably to enhance the fire prevention and public education programs. For I personally believe that increasing awareness and promoting fire safety practices, we can prevent destructive fires that firefighters' tools, resources, and training needed to excel the duties. I firmly believe that the power of collaboration and partnership, these systems won't be meaningful and successful one without the help of one another. So, if we work together, wonderful things happen. And that's all. I thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, let us hear a message from the Office of the Governor of Misamis Oriental, Governor Peter Sr. Pedro M. Unapia, represented by the Provincial Board Member of Misamis Oriental, Honorable Javi Abing Bernaldez. Sir?
To our men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10, headed by its Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Abakahi, ma'am, may hapon. Honorable
Peter Senior Pedro Mamawag Unabia is very happy and grateful for this event, as the Bureau of Fire Protection is one of the government agencies who is actively involved on his Paglaom development agenda. I know kabalo na mo dani Paglaom and other activities. The governor convey his highest respect and salutation to the outgoing and incoming officers of the Bureau of Fire. Much as the governor is very interested to grace and witness this momentous event, the turnover of command, he has an equally important and prior commitment that needs his presence. With deep regret, he cannot be with us this afternoon to the incoming Provincial Fire Marshal, Fire Superintendent Christopher G. Regencia. Sir, to the incoming District Fire Marshal of Cagayan de Oro City, Fire Superintendent Wilfredo David. Sir, to the incoming Special Rescue Force Chief, Fire Superintendent Jack Biguel, and to the incoming Public Safety Officer Senior Executive Course, Mandatory Training Officer, Fire Superintendent Ruel Bacasno, my highest respect and admiration for new assignment. Congratulations. And let us inspire each other for the people of Cagayan de Oro City and the province of Misamis Oriental. Thank you o daghan kaadtong salamat. Maadtong salamat.
Thank you very much once again to the provincial board member of Misamis Oriental, Honorable Happy Aviv Ben Laden.
Thank you very much, General Alma Abakay. Piliin lang, no? Sinunod lang. And our greetings for felicitations and congratulations to Bureau of Fire Protection. That's because not a single casualty has been reported. So, ani kaayo ang atong Bureau of Fire Protection dili sa atong region. These three reasons. Of course, the first one is because we got to comply to the requirements of career upliftment. This is the prime reason why there's a case of command, case of the Chief of Office in this afternoon's affair. Second, because of the need and exigencies of the service. So the third one is being relieved for cost. With the leadership of General Alma Apakahin, I know the region is in safe hands. So on behalf of the leadership of the Normal Clark Story, the whole bureaucracy of the local government of Cagayan de Oro City, I'd like to express our sincere thanks to the outgoing and welcome those who are inside. Good luck, and may God bless us all, may God bless the region. May hapon tanan.
Thank you very much. Once again, our City Councilor Romeo V. Carizo. Please remain standing for the exit of callers. That concludes our turnover ceremony. On behalf of BFP Region 10, thank you very much to all our guests, BFP personnel, non-uniform personnel, and everyone who has attended this occasion. We would also like to take this opportunity to open the floor for a photo opportunity. And our Chief of Regional Health Services, Fire Chief Inspector Lara Maliyu Tumunano, ma'am.
Gliding with the native post